Hello SORP scholars, it's me again. This is a continuation of the video I just sent. I forgot to tell you guys one thing. This is for the week of the 23rd, so we only have FIAD Monday and Tuesday. So we are going to have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday off. So I said try to get at least half your points, or at least a third of your points in on Monday and Tuesday. But try to shoot for 25 points for Monday, 25 points for Tuesday. And the reason I'm making this second video or continuation is because I want you guys some of you might do it already, but I want some of you. What I'm trying to say is one day, you have Monday and Tuesday. One day, try to do a strength day, and one day, maybe try to do a cardiovascular or aerobic day. So lots of you guys might do the elliptical or go jogging every day, but never do any strength training. And some of you might do strength training like push-ups and sit-ups and lift weights all the time and not do any cardio. So I'd like you guys at a Monday and Tuesday, one of those days do a cardio day for like 20, 25, even 30 minutes. And then the other maybe do strength training for 20 to 30 minutes, whether it's a video that's a strength training video or I don't know, just in your basement or a room doing push-ups and sit-ups and pull-ups and anything that's going to help with your strength. So that's what I want you to do. That's what I forgot to say in the first video. So this is part 2 or continuation. One of the 2 days do cardio and one of the other day do a strength training routine. So you got 2 days to do it in, Monday and Tuesday. That's why I want you guys to choose one day for one and one day for the other. And like I said a couple seconds ago and in the previous video, I mean, if you get 25 points a day, so 40 to 50 points in these 2 days for this week, guys. Obviously, you're not going to get 100 points in 2 days, but that's what I'd like to have you guys do, and I'll hopefully be seeing you guys in the video chat tomorrow. Have a great Sunday, guys. Bye.